Hello grade 10s and welcome to another mathematics lesson. This one is under the topic of number patterns, right? We're going to be dealing with linear number patterns. Please note that you may remember them from grade 8 and 9 as numeric number patterns. Okay, here we go. So the important formula that you need to know, the formula that we're going to be using is Tn is equal to Pn plus Q, right? Where P is equal to T2 minus T1 or T3 minus T2, or simply the current term, which is Tn, minus the previous term, which is Tn minus 1. This formula is not on the information sheet, so you really need to know how to use it. Please take this down. I modified them from siavula.com. So, number 1 states, determine the nth term, determine the general terms or nth terms of the following number patterns. Bracket is missing here. Okay, 1.1, 55, 57, 59. So first you label T1, T2, T3. Okay, write down the formula. Tn is equal to Pn plus Q, right? So Q is T2 minus T1. T2 is 57 minus T1 is 55. Q is 57 minus 55 is 2. Tn is equal to 2n plus Q. So we're going to substitute T1, right? Where there's n, we put 1. T1 is equal to 2 times 1 plus Q. What is T1? 55. 2 times 1 is 2. We're going to solve for Q. 55 minus 2 is equal to Q. Q is 53, right? Tn is equal to 2n plus 53. Okay, I hope that is clear enough. I hope that makes sense. Okay, so 1.2 we have negative 56, negative 53, negative 50, negative 47. So first and foremost, you label T1, T2, T3, T4. Okay, then don't forget you write the formula. Tn is equal to Pn plus Q, right? P is T2 minus T1. What is T2? Negative 53 minus T1, negative 56. So P is 3. T1 3 times 1 plus Q. T1 is negative 56, so it is going to be sorry, 3 times 1 is 3, negative 3 plus Q, negative 56. This 3 when it goes to the other side it becomes negative 3. Negative 56 minus 3 is negative 59. Positive times negative is negative. Okay, I hope that was clear. I hope that makes sense. 1.3, you have 56, and then 51, and then 46, and then 41, and then 36. So as usual, you label T1, T2, T3, T4, T5. Formula, Tn is equal to Pn plus Q. Right? Don't forget P is T2 minus T1. T2 is 51 minus T1 is 56. Negative 5. So Tn is equal to negative 5n plus Q. This is Tn, okay. T1 is equal to negative 5 times 1 plus Q. T1 is 56. Negative times positive is negative. 5 times 1 is 5. So we have 56. This negative will go to the other side, it becomes positive. Yes. 56 plus 5 is 61. Tn is equal to negative 5n plus 61. Once again, I hope that is clear enough. 1.4, negative 74, negative 81, negative 88, negative 95. You label your terms T1, T2, T3, T4. Tn is equal to Pn plus Q. Right? P is T2 minus T1. T2 is negative 81 minus T1 is negative 74. negative 7. Okay, so P is negative 7, right? So Tn is equal to negative 7n plus Q. T1 is equal to, where there's n we put in 1, plus Q. T1 is negative 74. Negative times positive is negative. 7 times 1 is 7, plus Q. Negative, when it comes to the other side, it becomes positive. Negative 67. So we have Tn is equal to negative 7n plus negative 67. So Tn is negative 7n minus 67. I hope that makes sense. Number 2 states, calculate the next 4 terms of the following number patterns. Roman numeral number 1, 72, 76, 80, 84. So, as usual, what do? You label. So we have up until T, 4 again. So we need, next 4 is T5, T6, T7, T8. So let's see, what are we doing? We're going to calculate P, which is T2, 76 minus T1, 72. So we keep adding 4. So it's going to be 84 plus 4. Oh my. '84 plus 4 is 88. And then 88 plus 4 is 92. And then 92 plus 4, 96. And then 96 plus 4, 100. Right? So you can either leave them like that, or you can write them that it's 88, 92, 96, 100. Okay, Roman numeral number 2, negative 63, negative 57, negative 51, negative 45. T1, T2, T3, T4. So P is T2, which is negative 57, minus T1, which is negative 63. 6, so we add 6, right? So T5 is negative 45 plus 6, which is negative 39. T6 is negative 39 plus 6, negative 33. I hope that is clear. T7 is negative 33 plus 6. Okay. T7 is negative 33 plus 6. negative 27. T8 is negative 27 plus 6, which is negative 21. So you can either leave them like that, or you can say negative 39, negative 33, negative 27, negative 21. I hope that is clear enough. Roman numeral number 3, you have 62, you have 54, you have 46, you have 38, you have 30, you have 22. T1, you label them. T2, T3, T4, T5, T6. So your next four terms is T7, T8, T9, T10. So P is T2, which is 54, minus T1, which is 62. Negative 8. So we subtract 8, right? 22 minus 8. T7 is 22 minus 8, which is 14. T8 is 14 minus 8, which is 6. T9 is 6 minus 8, which is negative 2. T10 is negative 2 minus 8, which is negative 10. So you can leave them like this, or you can say Roman numeral number 4, you have negative 81, then you have negative 90, then you have negative 99, then you have negative 108. So you first label them T1, T2, T3, T4. So the next four terms are T5, T6, T7, T8. So calculate P. P is T2, which is negative 90, minus T1, which is negative 81. So we're subtracting 9. So it's going to be negative 108 minus 9. Negative 117. Then T6 is negative 117 minus 9. Negative 126. Negative 126 minus 9. Negative 135. Then negative 135 minus 9. (144). So the next four terms are negative 117, then negative 126, negative 135, negative 144. Okay, I hope that makes sense.